2026. Introduction. The year technology changes everything. Imagine waking up in 2026. Your AI assistant has already organized your day. Your car drives itself through smart roads. Doctors diagnose diseases using artificial intelligence before symptoms even appear. Factories operate with almost no human intervention. Digital humans work alongside real employees. This is no longer science fiction. We are entering one of the most transformative periods in technological history. The next few years will bring innovations that could reshape industries, redefine jobs, alter economies, and fundamentally change how humans live. In today's video, we'll explore the top 20 technology trends that will define 2026 and beyond. Let's begin. Number 20. Digital twins. Digital twins are virtual replicas of physical objects, factories, cities, and even humans. Engineers can simulate real-world scenarios before making expensive decisions. Imagine a city testing traffic systems digitally before building roads. Imagine doctors creating digital copies of patients to predict health risks. Digital twins are revolutionizing healthcare, manufacturing, urban planning, and aerospace industries. Number 19. Autonomous delivery systems. The delivery industry is changing rapidly. Drones, robotic couriers, and autonomous vehicles are becoming increasingly capable of transporting goods without human drivers. Companies are investing billions into reducing delivery times while lowering costs. By 2026, autonomous delivery networks could become common in major cities around the world. Number 18. Green hydrogen technology. The world is searching for cleaner energy solutions. Green hydrogen is produced using renewable electricity and has the potential to decarbonize industries that are difficult to electrify. Heavy transportation, shipping, steel production, and aviation may increasingly depend on hydrogen-based energy systems. Many experts believe green hydrogen could become a cornerstone of the future energy economy. Number 17. AI-powered cybersecurity. As technology advances, cyber threats become more sophisticated. Traditional security systems struggle to keep up. Artificial intelligence is becoming the first line of defense against cyber attacks by identifying unusual patterns and stopping threats before they spread. The cybersecurity industry is entering a new era where machines defend digital infrastructure in real time. Number 16. Edge computing. For years, data has been processed in centralized cloud servers. However, the future demands faster responses. Edge computing processes data closer to where it is generated. This technology is critical for autonomous vehicles, smart cities, industrial robots, and healthcare devices, where milliseconds matter. The growth of edge computing will make technology faster, smarter, and more responsive. Number 15. Advanced robotics. Robots are no longer limited to factories. New generations of robots can walk, climb stairs, recognize objects, and collaborate safely with humans. Humanoid robots are becoming increasingly practical for warehouses, healthcare facilities, logistics centers, and customer service roles. By 2026, advanced robotics could address labor shortages across multiple industries. Number 14. Generative AI everywhere. Artificial intelligence is moving far beyond chatbots. Generative AI can create text, images, videos, music, software code, marketing campaigns, and business strategies. Entire industries are being transformed. Companies that embrace AI productivity tools may gain enormous competitive advantages. The rise of generative AI is often compared to the invention of the internet itself. Number 13. Smart factories. Manufacturing is becoming increasingly intelligent. Sensors, AI systems, robotics, and real-time analytics are creating factories capable of self-optimization. Machines can predict maintenance needs, reduce waste, and improve efficiency automatically. Smart factories are helping manufacturers become faster, cheaper, and more sustainable. Number 12. Brain-computer interfaces. What if humans could control computers using only their thoughts? Brain-computer interfaces are making this possible. Researchers are developing systems that allow direct communication between the brain and digital devices. Initially, these technologies may help people with disabilities regain mobility and communication abilities. In the long term, they could transform how humans interact with technology. Number 11. Spatial computing. The line between physical and digital reality is disappearing. Spatial computing combines augmented reality, virtual reality, artificial intelligence, and advanced sensors. Digital objects can appear naturally within physical environments. Education, design, healthcare, engineering, and entertainment are expected to benefit significantly from this technology. Number 10. Quantum computing. Quantum computing remains one of the most exciting technological frontiers. Unlike traditional computers, quantum computers process information using quantum mechanics. Certain calculations that would take conventional computers thousands of years may eventually be solved in minutes. Although still developing, quantum technology could revolutionize medicine, materials science, logistics, and finance. Number 9. Personalized healthcare. Healthcare is becoming increasingly individualized. Artificial intelligence, genetic analysis, wearable devices, and predictive analytics allow treatments tailored to specific patients. Doctors may soon predict diseases years before symptoms appear. The future of healthcare is shifting from treatment to prevention. Number 8. Synthetic media. AI-generated videos, voices, and digital humans are becoming incredibly realistic. Businesses are creating virtual presenters, AI influencers, customer support agents, and personalized marketing experiences. While synthetic media creates enormous opportunities, it also raises important questions about misinformation and authenticity. Managing these risks will become a major challenge in 2026. Number 7. 6G research and next-generation connectivity. Even as 5G expands globally, researchers are already developing 6G technology. Future networks could provide dramatically faster speeds, lower latency, and intelligent communication systems. These networks may support holographic communication, advanced AI systems, autonomous transportation, and immersive virtual environments. Connectivity will become the foundation of future innovation. Number 6. Autonomous vehicles. Self-driving technology continues advancing rapidly. AI systems can now recognize road conditions, pedestrians, traffic patterns, and unexpected obstacles with increasing accuracy. Autonomous transportation promises safer roads, reduced congestion, and greater mobility. The transportation industry may experience one of its biggest transformations since the invention of the automobile. Number 5. AI agents. AI is evolving from answering questions to performing tasks. AI agents can plan projects, conduct research, manage schedules, write reports, analyze data, and make decisions with minimal supervision. Businesses are increasingly deploying AI agents as digital workers. Many experts believe AI agents will become one of the most disruptive technologies of the decade. Number 4. Renewable energy. Artificial intelligence is helping optimize renewable energy systems. Smart grids can predict electricity demand, manage power distribution, and integrate solar and wind energy more efficiently. As renewable energy adoption increases, AI will play a crucial role in maintaining reliable power systems. This trend combines two of the world's most important technologies, AI and clean energy. Number 3, human-level AI collaboration. The future is not humans versus AI. The future is humans working alongside AI. Advanced systems are becoming creative collaborators capable of assisting scientists, engineers, artists, doctors, teachers, and entrepreneurs. Instead of replacing people entirely, AI is increasingly enhancing human capabilities. This partnership could unlock unprecedented levels of productivity and innovation. Number 2, intelligent digital workers organizations are beginning to deploy entire teams of AI-powered digital employees. These systems can handle customer service, accounting, data analysis, scheduling, reporting, and administrative tasks. Companies may soon manage hybrid workforces consisting of both humans and AI workers. This shift could dramatically reshape labor markets around the world. Number 1, artificial general intelligence, AGI. At the top of our list is the most transformative technology of all, artificial general intelligence. Unlike today's AI systems, AGI would possess the ability to learn, reason, adapt, and solve problems across virtually any domain. Many researchers believe AGI could become one of humanity's most important inventions. Supporters argue it could solve major global challenges, accelerate scientific discovery, and dramatically improve living standards. Critics warn it presents significant risks, requiring careful governance and oversight. Whether AGI arrives soon or decades from now, the race toward more powerful artificial intelligence will define the future of technology. Conclusion: the future arrives faster than expected. The technologies shaping 2026 are not isolated innovations. They are interconnected forces creating a new digital era. Artificial intelligence powers robotics. Robotics drives smart factories. Smart factories strengthen economies. Advanced connectivity links everything together. For businesses, governments, and individuals, adaptation will be essential. History shows that technological revolutions reward those who prepare for change. The future isn't coming. It is already here. The only question is, are we ready for it? Which technology trend excites you the most? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, subscribe for more insights into the technologies shaping the future of our world. Thank you for watching this video.